Wash your hands not just frequently but properly. This is the way to stay safe from harmful microorganisms, those are omnipresent. But how does it really work? Why do we need to wash hands after using hand wash and not after using sanitizer? Water alone is not enough to remove dirt. We need to use soap or hand wash along with water. Oily dirt particles hates to interact with water. Rubbing soap on hands adds amphipathic molecules like detergent which interact simultaneously with water and oil pulling off the dirt from skin. Let us see the action of sanitizer and hand wash in keeping us safe from microbes like coronavirus. To infect host cell, structural integrity of virus is very crucial. Coronavirus structurally composed of nucleocapsid and envelope. Genomic RNA and nucleoproteins make nucleocapsid. Envelope is nothing but lipid bilayer with transmembrane proteins. How does coronavirus multiplies? Airborne infections like COVID-19 spreads through contaminated surface and air droplets. Once the virus enters the respiratory tract, viral S proteins interacts with the angiotensin converting enzyme 2 of host cell. Then virus envelope fuses with the host cell membrane, releasing its nucleocapsids in cytoplasm, followed by replication of coronavirus using host cell machinery. These newly assembled virus particles release to infect cells in the surrounding. Sanitizer and hand wash can prevent virus infection by disrupting viral envelope, whereas antiviral drugs control infection by targeting virus replication. Ethanol is major active ingredient of sanitizer. Ethanol molecules accumulates at water lipid interface forming hydrogen bonds with polar head groups of the lipid. Ethanol disorders the lipid hydrocarbon chain. Envelope surface expands, fluidity and permeability increases in the membrane. Thickness decreases as fatty acyl chains of opposite leaflets interdigitate. Molecular dynamic simulations have predicted inward micelles in the membrane. Along with lipid bilayer dissolution, ethanol also denatures the nucleoproteins and the transmembrane proteins. This way, the whole integrity of the virus is lost and virus becomes non-infectious. How hand wash is different than sanitizer? Hand wash has a common ionic detergent SDS or sodium lauryl sulfate. SDS has a polar head and 12 carbon non-polar tail. Cylindrical shape of each lipid molecule supports the lipid bilayer. However, conical geometry of SDS prefers micelle formation. SDS intercalates in the membrane and disrupts bilayer structure to micelles. Light scattering studies explain phase transition from vesicle to micelle through three-stage model. Detergent starts partitioning in bilayer which inflates the vesicle in size. This partitioning continues till saturation point. Further SDS addition breaks down these vesicles into small mixed micelles. Along with SDS solubilization, SDS denatures the proteins. To make your hands virus free, rub hand wash or soap on your hands at least for 20 seconds. Soap contains amphipathic fatty acids such as palmitate and myristate which works like SDS. We need to wash hands after using hand wash to remove these SDS and other chemicals because detergent can solubilize cells in the intestinal lumen. Whereas ethanol evaporates, so no need to wash hands. Similar to coronavirus, other pathogenic bacteria and fungi also possesses lipid bilayer and proteins which are targeted by sanitizer and hand wash. So keep washing your hands and stay safe. If you have any doubt regarding discussed topic, please write it in the comment box. Thank you.